Asia's songbird Regine Velasquez shared that she is now preparing for her retirement after decades of being in the entertainment industry. Regine's career is an inspiration to many younger artists. She started her career when she was just a teenager. She won in the televised singing contest Ang Bagong Kampiyon in 1984. From that, her career soared high. Aside from her successful singing career with sold-out concerts and albums, Regine also did a lot of hit series and movies. Previously, Regine Velasquez admitted that she knew it was no longer her time and that younger singers were taking the lead in the music industry in the Philippines. She is known for her generosity when it comes to sharing her knowledge and talent with the younger generation. In a recent interview, based on the article in Bandera, she mentioned that she is not afraid that she will be out of the limelight. "No, I'm excited. Actually, hindi naman. Parang, I'm trying to, anong tawag dyan? Prepare myself for that," she said. She knows that this will happen soon and she is preparing herself for this. The seasoned singer admitted that her work is very addicting. "So, kini-prepare ko yung sarili ko na, o kahit yung mga nadi-disappoint ako habang nagko-concert ako. Siguro this is God's way na rin of letting me know, sige, dahan-dahan," Regine said, adding that if she reaches the point of making that decision, it won't be hard anymore. She also admitted that she will miss her work, so she is taking it slowly towards her retirement. Regine also shared that she and her husband, OPM icon Ogie Alcacid, have already talked about this. The songbird quipped that she does not look 100 years old, so she is just taking it slowly. "And yun na nga, I'm preparing, my husband and I are preparing for it. Lalo na siya kasi he's a bit older than me. So, pinag-uusapan na namin yun na, pag ganito, Han, siguro mag-lie-low na ako ng konti. So, ang isip ko din, ako din, Han," she shared. Regine Velasquez shared that when she retires, she wants to travel. She said that this is what they want to do.